Welcome to cool_dude1. What's up there, guys? It's Jace here, back with another video. And today, guys, I'm going to try to make this video right here a little bit quicker because I don't have that much time because I have to eat and then get back to school. But what I'm going to be doing today is trying to catch some food in my mouth. What I'm going to be using is these trolley crunchy trawlers. So, they're actually really good. I highly recommend them. They came out, they're somewhat new, I think. But I got these last night and I've already almost taken all of them. But no, this video is not sponsored by Trolley. I just love these things. But I guess that's what we're going to be doing today. Just tossing these guys up and trying to catch them in my mouth. Just like this. Oh. And I'm trying not to let them hit the ground either. And also I'm being blinded by the sun, so that's going to make this even harder. Okay, so he fell in the grass. I'm going to stick them into my pocket now because I don't want to eat them. Okay, so next one. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends if you guys want to see more videos just like this one. And leave a comment down below saying if you like videos like this, and who knows, maybe I'll just do another one like this. Let me just do another one. No. Now there's nothing down there. I don't want to do my ankle or anything. So good. I don't want to waste too much food doing it. We're going to try to do the minute to win it challenge. Now, let me get a thumbnail. But wait a minute, win it one. Got grass on it. Okay. The video's going a little too fast. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you guys what's inside of one of these. Wow. Also, we're going to get ants. This thing's falling all over the place. Yum. We're gonna toss another one super low. Okay. So I'm just gonna I don't have that many left, and I want to save these. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick them into my pocket. Okay. And the dogs are going crazy. So now what I'm going to do, actually, you know what, we're going to try and play catch with them. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video, but I want to make it a little bit longer for you guys. You guys can't handle a 4-minute video. You guys need something to entertain you guys. And also, I forgot to mention the flavors to you guys. It's watermelon, strawberry, lime, cherry, and orange raspberry. I like the green and pink. Normally, those are the two colors I don't like. Normally, I like blue, but the blue tastes more like orange. Yeah, what was I gonna do? I think I'm gonna do. What if I did? with these. No, we're gonna do some more tosses. And you got covered in that. Okay. Well, I'm gonna blow now. Okay. Here we go. Oh! You guys see this, right? It's in there. Let's go. I did it. I did it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I did it. I did it. That was actually really fun. So yeah, I highly recommend this challenge to you guys. Share this video with all of your friends. Tag them on Instagram. And just challenge them to this. See if they can do better than me. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I'm just going to end this video here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Bye! I gotta go to school.